Hi Amped Kids, it's Chef Micah and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making Muddy Buddies. The things you're going to need are some Chex Mix, powdered sugar, your Crisco sent to you in your Amped box, chocolate chips, peanut butter, vanilla, and M&Ms. Step 1 is going to be to add some peanut butter, chocolate chips, and Crisco. You can do it by just cutting off the corner of the bag we sent you and squeezing it into your container. Once you've got everything in there, you're going to microwave it for 15 to 30 seconds until it's smooth enough to mix. Once you've got your mixture all melted, we're going to begin step 2. Pour your cereal into your bowl with all your chocolatey mixture and get it nice and mixed up. Now, do you remember how that guy was laying on the street and a preacher walked by and a doctor walked by and they wouldn't help him? But the Good Samaritan was being his buddy, just like our buddies, and helped him up. You can add as much Chex Mix as you like. Just make sure all your Chex Mix is fully coated in chocolate. Now, step 3. Take your powdered sugar and pour it all over your Chex Mix. Then mix it up again. Now you're going to want to take your M&Ms, add them in, mix it up one last time, and for your final step, take your Chex Mix and pour it onto a baking sheet or your counter lined with parchment. Spread it out. And give it one last good dusting with some powdered sugar. And step 5, your final and last step. Put it in the freezer, let it cool, and clean up your mess. Bye, Amped Kids. Thank you so much for coming here to make your Muddy Buddies today. Be sure to share them with a buddy and have an amazing day.